Thank you so much, Sgwili. My name is Mitchell, and we're inside Milway Hall in Khayelitsha to witness an amazing gospel event happening today. So let's walk around and see who we can catch up with. So I'm with Sgwili at the gospel event this evening. So do you want to tell us what it is that you do?
I'm a musician, I'm a producer, and I'm a songwriter. Basically, I'm a worshipper. I came here just to worship, as it is on Sunday. It's Sunday worship, Sunday afternoon worship. So I'm here, coming all the way from Pietermaritzburg, from KZN. So I came here just to worship.
That's fantastic. And you're all the way from KZN.
Yes.
How long will you be staying in Cape Town?
I'll be staying. I came here yesterday. I'll go tomorrow morning, but I wish I could stay more.
Have you been enjoying Cape Town?
No, I wish to just to see a few places, but then time is against me, I have to be in Joburg by tomorrow, so I can't do anything.
And what's the gospel scene like in KZN?
It's grown very, very, very huge. Basically, it has become the most of the artists has realized that gospel is not just good singing, having a good voice, but it's more about knowing what I was singing for. Who are you singing for, and what are you singing? It's more about worshiping the Lord. It's more about delivering the message of the cross. It's more about talking about good news. It's more about encouraging people in whatever situations they are facing. It's more about talking about the things that are happening around. It's more about that. So it has grown very, very, very much.
And do you find that more youth are involved with the gospel?
Sorry?
Do you find that more youth are involved with the gospel, or is it still a struggle to get the youth involved?
It's involved. It's very involved. It's very involved because it cannot go separately. It cannot go separately because as we are gospel singers preaching the word, we are still struggling. So it's more like that.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. It's been amazing chatting to you. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay in Cape Town.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.